in Donegal. Then threats started to arrive at my family home in Galway, where my family were told I was to be shot. And
by someone purportedly from the IRA.
From the IRA, yeah. And there were a number of interactions, if you want, but ultimately I received one of those phone calls myself when I was at home in Galway. Went back to the battalion. I served under a man called Douglas McCord. And Douglas said to me, look, you have two choices. You can either stay here and never go home again, or you can leave here and go home. Which do you want to do? I was 21 years of age, non-political, and I thought, look, I can't leave my family behind me, so I left the regiment behind me and came home.
Your mother got one of these phone calls as well?
My mother used to get those phone calls at 3 o'clock in the morning. My mother used to get those phone calls at 12 o'clock at night, at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it was always a woman. And it was pretty chilling stuff. When you pick up the phone and you hear somebody saying to you, are you 2422876 Lance Corporal Craughwell, Command Company, 2nd Battalion, Royal Irish, you know they have done their homework. They know exactly who you are and what you do. So I left the regiment. I should point out, it's often said that the Royal Irish Rangers served in Northern Ireland. No, they did not in my time. No Irish soldier, no soldier from the regiment served in Northern Ireland, save to take their basic training in St. Patrick's Barracks in Ballymena. But I came home in 74, the end of 74, and in 75 I joined the 1st Infantry Battalion of the Defence Forces, where I had 5 wonderful years.
The phone call stopped straight away?
Straight away. At the moment I arrived home, there wasn't another call.